Still I fall. Who are you? And I don't know. Still I fall.
Hi, I'm Allen Workman with John L. Scott Real Estate. Welcome to 3688 Birch Way in Anacortes, Washington. This is a fine home with impressive details. This home offers over 4,000 square feet of living space, 5 bedrooms, and 6 bathrooms. Let's take a closer look inside. One of my favorite features of this home is the outdoor space. In Anacortes, Washington, we offer wonderful weather during spring, summer, and fall. And to enjoy this property, we have 3 distinct areas. First, we have a fire pit here for those chilly summer evenings. Right here, we have a fully sun-drenched area. And over here, if there's a light rain falling, but you still want to be outdoors, you're under the covered patio. Thank you for visiting 3688 Birch Way in Anacortes, Washington. I'm Allen Workman with John L. Scott Real Estate. If you would like more information on this property, please contact me at allenw@johnlscott.com or call 360-770-4948. Thank you.